To start off, I'm putting base coat on all of my nails. Now I am taking yellow acrylic paint and very messily outlining the grid on my nails for the checkerboard. Now this is going to be very rough and not neat. It's just to get a good outline of where the white and the yellow should be. So now I'm going in with the white and just filling in the squares that should be filled in for the white. And now I'm going in with the yellow. Now I'm going to keep perfecting it and going in until it's as neat as possible. But for this first layer, it doesn't have to be anywhere near perfect. And it is okay if you get it on your skin because you can clean it up later with a flat brush and acetone. So just keep building it up until the lines are very neat and perfect. Now I'm doing the same on my other nail, and for some reason I decided to start outlining with the white, but it doesn't really make a difference because it's all going to get covered anyways. Now I'm perfecting the lines and adding a second coat on both of my nails. To clean up the excess, I first use a toothpick to outline where the excess starts and where my nail is so I don't remove too much nail polish. And then I'm going in with a flat brush and acetone to get rid of any of the nail polish that shouldn't be there. You can also use a Q-tip to do so. Now I'm adding a first layer of top coat onto the nails that I just finished. Now I'm painting my other fingernails white. And this may take a few coats, but that's okay. Now I'm adding a second layer of top coat, and I like to do more than one coat on the acrylic paint because the paint dries bumpy. Now on my other fingers I did this weird flower thing, not really sure why, but I felt like adding like something, you know. So I kind of just did petals coming out from the base of my finger, and then I did a little pink dot as like the center of the flower. Not really sure what I was going for, but it turned out kind of cool, I guess. Now another layer of top coat on the checkerboard and a first layer on the other fingernails. And a final layer of top coat for all of my nails. And this is the final result. I really hope you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and follow my Instagram at glamwithmaddie. See you in the next video.